I think you meant to say fading. So when I say fade the headliner, I mean it kind of literally. I'm gonna show you in this spot right here. Let's pretend there is a dirt patch. Number one thing to do is dry microfiber towel. You want to try the softest method first, and then you work your way up. So with the clean microfiber, you're gonna kind of wipe, and if that doesn't work, grab your cleaner. Very, very light mist, just like that, one spritz, or you can do it on the microfiber towel, and then you wipe the same way. Again, if that doesn't work, you apply a little bit more, right? And then you get your drill brush, kind of just agitate it, and then you would, again, and then you just keep doing it until it's gone, or you stop if you know it's not going to come off. Let's say it happens, right? I'm just going to create one. All right, you got it too wet, all right? So what you want to do is you don't want to wait, let it dry off. You can kind of see where it's darker here, right? So when I say fade, right, you want to grab your drill brush and you want to fade it out like that, from the wettest side out. You kind of want to keep doing that. And you want to kind of spread it further down, so that way when it dries, it's not going to be one prominent line. Another good way is to get your tornador. Now, when you are doing headliners, you want to dry it off as soon as possible. So whenever you're doing this one small patch, don't go away, do something else. Take care of it right away.